you want to build a heat map in Tableau Desktop and it's not quite working for you? Well, let me show you how easy it is to actually do. So in order to do a heat map, we need a set of dimensions on the top and a set of dimensions going down. So let's do state on rows, like so, and then let's do subcategory in the columns. And as you can see here, we have a nice grid of data points. We now need to fill it in with something. So the heat map is determined by the numbers that are actually inside this boundary. So we're going to bring in profit, for example. So to make it a heat map, we simply take profit and drop it into color. That's all you have to do. That's all you have to do. So let's take that, drop it into color, and immediately you have your heat map. And you can see all the spikes where it's really high values or really low values. And from here, you can make some modifications. For example, if you go into color and go edit colors, you can change the palette. So instead of orange blue, maybe you want to signify red and black. Okay, there you can change the step color on how many different levels of intensity you want. You can reverse the colors like so. So maybe the high numbers are the ones you want to highlight, or the low ones are the ones you want to highlight. You can determine even where this color shifts, right? And you can do it using these controls here. So doing a heat map is super simple in Tableau. In some cases, people want to see not just the heat map, but the numbers as well. So to do that, we simply take profit and drop it here into label. It's honestly this simple. Sometimes non-analyst people talk to me and they're just, how'd you build that visualization? And it's like, it's so easy. And that's the beauty of Tableau. It just makes your life so much easier. Right? Now, when you do that, Tableau is now coloring the text itself. And this is where people really struggle and get confused. How do you go back to the shading with a number inside? All you have to do is go here into the marks card, specifically this section right here. And if you go in there, you just want to switch this to square. And now you have both the numbers and the shading. However, my problem with this has always been is it's a bit much. So we can actually modify the label. Instead of showing everything, we can say, just give me the minimum and maximum, like so. So you can see this one right here. And if I scroll down, I'm sure I'm going to see the minimum, right? That's one thing you can do. You can say, instead of minimum and maximum, you can say selected, for example, right here. And what that does is, if a stakeholder or someone who's a consumer of your dashboards goes, oh, wow, this little quadrant here is interesting. When they highlight it, it will actually show the numbers. And they can filter that further by hovering, keep only. And now they can isolate these figures. Okay, and this is the beauty of Tableau, that you can just interact with it, find what you need, and then go further. That's the beauty of it. If you want to learn more about heat maps and all the different types of visualizations and all the functions and different things you can do with it, I teach all of this on my website on Jollyman Education. The link is in the description below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you next time.